what's going on here. We're drinking some NOS here in the back alleyway. Chris has got his car back down there, and wearing the jalopy shirt, nice and stained up. We got Corey here doing the brakes. His 2014 Focus. It's pretty decent. Nice little Focus he's got here. So far we've had some problems with the commonly known aluminum covered lug nuts. So these lug nuts have aluminum on them, and they start to wiggle and wobble, and they're a pain in the butt. Right now we're just doing the brakes. So I'm getting the brakes off, and next problem is the brakes don't take a 14 mil, they take a 7 mil Allen key to get off. So yeah, fun little brake job. Hopefully we get the brakes done, no more problems. And we got our Corey's OEM little tire iron from Ford and everything else.
There's no 7, there's only 8.
I'm recording here.
There's the 8.
Oh, you got an 8? Oh man, I don't know if that's gonna fit, if we need a 7, but maybe Chris will have one, or we might have to go check for a different size, that crappy tire again or something. But more parts, more parts. Yay! Yay, you happy, Corey?
Way too big.
Alright there. Jalopy Media back again. I got my ride sitting in the back there. Can't zoom in. The guys just took off. Just took Chris's car. Still, we're working on Corey's car here. And we got that 7 mil. So they've gone to go get a 7 mil hex socket. We can get those bolts out. And that's how much brake pad he's got left. His brake pad need to be changed. I don't know how the other side looks. Oh, his brake pad's done. No problemos. Alright. We've got the tire going back on.
Do not take out the bouncing end.
Chris is handling the tire nicely. Good. Make sure you put lots of red Loctite on it. What's Loctite? Okay, we're gonna put extra Loctite on Corey's. We got his new lug nuts, and we got the new. We got the new 7 mil. Yeah, here's some thug nuts. There you go. Corey, this is your car. Start helping. What are you doing, Corey?
The other package.
What is it? He's struggling. Oh, sorry. All right, brakes are done. They're nice and greasy. Corey put them on extra wrong. Right.
Tell me if I put them on.
All right. Well, at least you got some new tools. All right.
Need a what size, man?
Chris is just getting the little 2-ton jack in there. We got the new lugs on, but we're gonna torque it up. This little 2-ton jack. You gotta jack it up, eh? Yeah. And we'll get the jack stand out. What are you looking for?
Socket.
What socket? For torquing that down? Yeah. Was it 19 mil?
19.
Yeah, up at the top there. And then you put it on, what, 80? So you know how to do that?
No, I don't know.
Alright, so you can see, what does it say there? That's Newton meters. You want to look at foot pounds.
Foot-pounds.
And you're going to undo this
Yeah.
and keep twisting this piece
Until what?
until you're up at 80. Until it says the zero is on 80. Keep twisting it.
Oh, I see. It moves up.
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll go up. And zero should be like right on the little 80 dash.
Almost.
Alright, too high. Going over?
I had to go over here.
No, below. Go down. No, down more. You're at like 90 right now. Down. Right, down. Right. No, sorry. Now you gotta go up. Yeah. So next 0, not that. That's 70 right there. Keep going. Yeah, 60.
That's 80.
No, that's. I think that's 80. I think that's 80. Yeah, that's 80.
How do you tell?
Yeah, it's 80. Because look, that little step.
No.
The 0 should go to the step. I'm just gonna look at that. Yeah. Okay, that's 80. Okay, now torque. Now tighten the bottom. Yeah, tighten that all the way up. And now you'll be able to torque it down.
That's already untightening it.
Is it not? Is it not 19? It's 21.
No, I think it's too shallow.
Oh, it's too shallow for us. Oh, you gotta use his long sockets. So you got a 19 long.
Yeah. 17.
But that last one worked. What the hell? This thing worked though.
What? Yeah, the
The socket isn't working. Are you sure? Let's see the socket. Let me see that again. No, this is too small. It's a 21, I think. Or is it 20? A 21? Yeah. That's what I said. I think it's a 21. Yeah, Corey. Corey.
Well, you said 19.
I know. Well, I thought it was 19. You go on the star pattern still. Go to the other ones too. Tighten the other ones a little bit before you just go beans on that one.
Put it down. It's easier.
There you go. That's good. Yeah, as long as it clicks, man. Don't pull it anything past the click.
That one. This one.
Yeah, do that one. Yeah, a little star pattern. Freaking helicopters. Nice and easy, lads. You gotta get that touched up. All right, Corey. They're all torqued down. Now we're gonna do the next side, twice as fast. All right, let's see here. We got Chris doing the brakes here. Yeah, hammer them on good. There you go. Getting these shitty aluminum lugs off. There you go. And these two.
You got this one?
I think I got that one. I might have to
Looks like
put the torque thing on it to get it off. It might be cracked. It might not be. It might have just barely. Yeah. Well, it's a good thing to get these off. And get some new ones on. All right, number 2 on the way. Jalopy Media. Corey here. How your hands looking, Corey?
Okay.
There we go. Jesus, whiskers. Cheese and whiskers.
Alright.
Ruin your plastics.
Well, as long as it's on there.
It's strong up there? Yeah.
As long as it's part of the frame. It's on with the close to the jack point. On the jack point, close. Alright, got all these busted off. So you're gonna lift up your suspension so you got that much ride.
Hey, do you want to try?
Go grab the cone and pop the hood right now.
Where was it?
And check it out. It's in the kitchen.
Is it on the table?
It's in the box. Yeah. It's in the box, man. Is it looking alright?
This one right? Yeah.
It's on there.
It's So I'm gonna keep that right there just in case.
Let's be wary of this thing if it ever starts to leak or something weird. It's just fucking just pissing hydraulic fluid everywhere. Well. Alright, we're on to side number 2 here. Now we gotta depress the brake caliper, get it hanging.
Oh, okay.
As per his wiener.
There's mine doing that.
We'll depress the brake. Alright, you gotta hold that though.
I'm like out of energy.
See if we can get this. Alright, so it should be almost good enough, yeah, just with that. And get as much leverage, remember. Yeah, which one's gonna have the best leverage?
Get rid of this thing. Are we good right in the center there? You got that hold on to a little bit?
You gotta get leverage on it, so slide it out more.
Yeah.
I got it. Nice and slow, nice and slow. Oh, there you go, perfect. Get it close up here, Corey. Get this close up with the depression of the cylinder. Are we getting it kind of straight at least?
Yeah,
I think it's good, right?
it looks like it's getting straight. It looks better than the other one did.
Okay. Well, it's in, but is it in as much as it needs to be?
Try it. Clip the brake in.
Yeah. Okay, get the.
I'm just putting more in there.
Yeah. I need to get a second hand on here. You got that? Yeah. It's depressing.
That is depressing.
That's better. It is kind of depressing. we depressed
The
it.
new guy to go in there.
Yeah.
Right. There's the depression. Yeah, a little bit of. I'll hold that.
It's on the head. On the
Around the
ends.
ends. Yeah, a little bit on
Yeah,
the
just
ends.
lean
Yeah,
it.
just the only we gotta barely even put it. Just rub it. Yeah, rub it around. Get that goop and just rub it around on the other side. Yeah, just like that. Good enough. Rub it on that side. Goop it. Rub it. Good. And then pop this in. Something like this. There, right? That's in there.
Yeah, I think
Now, here, I'll take that.
this guy.
I'll take that, Corey.
Take what?
I'll take
Camera?
I got it.
Yeah, you got that. Yeah. You get that other one in there. We depress the brake and we're getting the pads in. Make sure you put your pads the right way.
Don't drip it on me now, boy.
You only need a little bit, yeah. Just put a little gloop and then rub it. That stuff. We gotta wash our hands good. We gotta get some of that fast orange crap. So we can, or that orange peel, whatever that shit is. The pumice crap.
Yeah, the mechanic stuff or whatever. It's really. You gonna put it in first?
Maybe. Do we have a back one or is it just the front?
It's just the front one. There's only one clip.
No.
Is it not depressed enough?
No, it's not depressing enough.
No? Might be able to do it with the brake pad in there.
Probably can.
Here, well, I'm gonna hold it.
Bars are
What will we damage the brake pad? Smushing on again? Fucking up or anything by doing that? Shouldn't.
But we can pop this one out real quick, right?
Yeah, flip it out again. It's really easy.
There you go. Hold that. Okay, yes. And make sure that.
Fingies.
Nice and easy, slow. Keep going. Okay, I'll try this side. Do it this way a little bit. Try it right there. You think it is enough?
I don't think so. I think it needs to go down more.
Yeah, let me get a reef on it here. Okay, let's make sure it's not bleeding or anything. No, it's just that's where you screw it in. See how these move, Corey?
Yeah.
No, hold it like this for you. I got it.
Alright.
And then you can like put stuff in there and do whatever you want with it. That's what she said.
Okay, so
There's so much anti-seize all over the fucking thing.
Right. I'll hold it right there and there's not even
I gotta get this thing or something. Get it?
I thought it was good.
Just push it straight down.
Okay.
It's going a bit.
I don't know.
I think you want a bit more here. I think it did go a bit more.
Let's try the
Check it again. There's not one. We got one core. This one. Sure it goes in the right way.
Yeah, that's right.
Ah! Hey. Top one. Bada bing.
Oh yeah. That's lots.
I guess we can just go and then get those threads in. Pull those
Top
over.
of these. Oh, that thing is still fucking popping in there, aren't they? Finger popping each other's ass.
Are they in the way?
Yeah. Oh, no.
Yeah,
You see
pop
it
that
now?
one out.
You saw it? Or did it?
It's out, yeah.
Okay, so this should be all right.
That one's
The
out.
bottom one.
Okay, now it's in place.
Yeah.
There. Here, boy. This way. Record. If you're recording. There?
Yep.
Let's wipe some of this up. It's okay. I will wipe it down. It's getting all covered in freaking antacids. Antacids is mechanic's friend.
Is it like bad?
Probably. I think everything causes cancer. I think even just take a can of oil on your skin causes cancer. See your hands.
I'm sure I already got cancer.
Cancer. There's a little ratchet right here.
Yeah, anyone. Hey, Corey, you're out.
Yeah, your drink Gort.
Get the bottom one in now. Top one's in.
Is that tightening? Yeah, that's
Yeah.
tightening, yeah. Yeah, get your bottle in there.
Is it okay if I touch everything in the inside of your car with my hands right now?
No, do not.
You got the bottom and the top?
The top one's in. I don't know if the bottom's in.
Bottom lined up and in there.
I gotta lay down
Your hand
again.
in there.
I gotta lay down again because I can't see shit.
Should be good. Here comes the helicopter.
No, it's not going in.
I should just kind of thread it too. Let's wiggle the caliper around.
Yeah.
Wiggle that around.
The top one's not super
See?
tight, is it?
I think it's in.
Yeah, wiggle in, yeah. You gotta get the hole in place. Get in the hole.
No, maybe not. I don't know.
Did you tighten the top one up a ton?
No.
Yeah, that's what I see too. You can't tighten them up too much either, or it can throw it off.